At Vidyadrishti, we realized that the most important platform and used one is the PC to write something. And the most used operating system for a laptop or a computer is Windows. And thus, our platform should be usable and completely accessible on Windows. As such, here is a quick tutorial on how to use our website to write an article on a Windows computer using the Chrome browser. This should be similar across browsers, but we are displaying it on Chrome. I'm Pranav, and let's get right into it. Alright, back to the computer, and I'm using NVDA as my screen reader with Eloquence TTS, but this should be the same across all again. So we're on the website. This is write.vidyadrishti.org.in, and this link will be provided to you in the description. So if you look at this website here,
visited link Vidyadrishti.
We've got that.
Visited link home.
Home.
Visited link articles and blogs.
Articles and blogs. This is where you can see all the articles.
Link work with us.
This is a form that you can fill if you want to work on our core team.
Link contact us.
That's our contact page.
Visited link login.
You've got login.
Link register.
And register. And below this, you've got a lot of text explaining what we do. I won't go through it, but you can. Pardon for that. So now we have to click on login. Now you would want to either click on register if you don't have an account, or login if you do. I have an account, so I'm going to click on login.
Visited login to Vidyadrishti document. Enter your Vidyadrishti username. Your edit required invalid entry username blank.
It's asking for a username, which I'm going to type.
RAAV.
My name is Pranav on the website. Now if I hit tab,
enter your password. Edit protected required invalid entry password blank.
I'm going to type my password.
Star bullet star.
And I could either hit enter or tap
login
over
button
and hit this login button. And below this we've got,
please fill out all the fields before clicking submit.
This text.
Forgot your password? Link reset it here.
And you can reset your password.
Forgot least button login.
I'm going to click login.
Alert logged in.
So now it's taken me back to the main page, and let's see.
Visited link Vidyadrishti. Visited link home.
This remains the same.
Visited link articles and blogs. Link work with us. Link contact us.
Those are the same. Watch this.
Link view your profile.
I can view my profile.
Visited link log out. Pranav.
And I can log out. Let's go back up.
Link or visited link articles and blogs.
Because we want to go to articles and blogs. That's where we really have to go to post an article. So I'll hit enter here.
Articles. Visited link Vidyadrishti. Visited link Vidyadrishti.
So the website's the same. The layout is the same. But what we have to do is scroll down to the heading that says actions. I'm going to hit the letter, the number 3 to get to the heading level 3 that says actions.
Search heading level 3. Actions heading level 3.
And below this we have
visited link post new article.
Post new article. So I'll hit enter here.
Submit article document. Title edit. Give your article a title. Blank.
We got to type a title. I'm going to type
TESE.
Test, and I'll hit tab.
Synopsis edit. Please enter a short synopsis or description of your article. Blank.
This is a quick description of our article, like one sentence. So I'm just going to type
TAS dot.
I hit tab.
Articles especially related to non-fiction events. Radio button not checked 1 of 9.
This is categories, so I'm going to choose
blogs, sub-fantasy, historic, horror, poems. Radio button check 6 of
poems. Why not? And then if I hit tab,
rich text editor. Editor editing area. Main edit multi-line. Type out the main body or essence of your article.
Here is where we type our main article. So I'm going to type something like enter. I could also, if I get out of focus mode in NVDA, hit insert space.
Rich text editor. Editor editing area.
And if I go up,
out of edit editor toolbar toggle button not press block quote.
I've got
button insert image.
Options.
Button unavailable increase indent. Button unavailable decrease indent. Toggle button not press numbered list. Toggle button not press bulleted list. Toggle button not press link. Toggle button not press italic. Toggle button not press bold. Menu button collapsed submenu paragraph. Menu button collapsed submenu paragraph. Menu button collapsed toggle button not
I could do
toggle button not press link.
Let's do a link.
Link URL edit blank.
So it's going to ask us for the URL, so I'm going to type
https://wow.youtube.com save button.
I could
link
shift
URL
tab.
Cancel button. Save button. Cancel button. Link cancel button. Link URL edit https. Save button.
Hit save.
Rich text editor. Link spelling error https. Spelling error youtube.com. Out of link spelling error M. Out of spelling error blank.
And that's the link that's posted. Now, if I go out of this and go down.
Land. Link spell land. Copyright 20.
Tab.
Application rich hyperpaste applic button post article.
We've got post article, so I'll hit enter on this.
Alert success. Your article was successfully sent through. You should be able to.
Your article was successfully sent through. So if we look at the page that we're on now.
Visited link. Test Google Chrome.
We're on the articles page. Test. So if I hit H to go through headings.
Articles heading level 1.
That's the main heading.
Test heading level 2.
That's the title, and if we look down,
This is a testing article for my audience.
that's the first line.
Link https youtube.com.
And that's the link that we were looking at.
Button read aloud.
We've got a read aloud button, which will read the article aloud.
Author random.
That's the author. Now I'm hitting down arrow, by the way.
Link edit your article.
I could edit my article, which brings up the same page as before, by the way. So this is the exact same thing.
Link delete your article.
Delete.
Link view random's profile.
You could view my profile,
Link tweet.
and I could tweet it. Below that, we have
Link smile with this article along with 0 other people.
this. So smiling on our website is like liking an article, and this would do that. So if I hit down again,
Heading level 2 comments.
now you've got comments.
Type out your comment. Edit multi-line, type your comment
You
here.
can type your comment.
Out of edit, link switch to rich text
I
editor.
could switch to the rich text editor,
Link switch to plain text editor. Button add
and I
comment.
could add comment. So that is that. Now I'm not going to show you edit article, but I'm going to show you how to delete it, because
Comments heading level 2.
I don't want this article.
Smile tweet view random's profile. Delete your article link.
I'm going to hit delete,
Confirm deletion. With confirm deletion heading level.
and it takes you to this confirm deletion page.
We need to make sure you're doing this on purpose. Smiling checkbox not checked. Required invalid entry. I understand that deleting this article is irreversible and permanent.
You have to check this checkbox,
Checked. Button delete article.
and then hit delete,
Alert done. Your article has been wiped off our database. Articles.
and it takes you to the main articles page. So that is how you use the Vidyadrishti website on Windows to submit and publish an article. If you want to share the URL, you can just copy the URL of the article from the address bar, and you can share it. I hope you guys understood how to use this, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.